My friends asked me to water their plants while out of town, so I think I'm going to save their plants and my ass with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. We are in the throes of winter here. It's cold, it's getting colder, and my friends asked me to water their plants while they're out of town. And that means that from January, February, March, whatever it is, they are going to be gone, and the plants are certainly going to die. Now, if I'm here every week watering the plants, that's probably good enough, my guess. But there are times when I'm just not feeling it, or I can't get over here, working late, or I just forget. God knows the mind is going. So I picked this up to make my job a little easier and save my ass, just in case I do forget or get lazy, or one day becomes 2 days, becomes 3 days, becomes 1 week, becomes 2 weeks, becomes a month, and the plants don't get any water. So let's unbox this and see what we got. All right, so what I picked up here is kind of one of the oldest systems for watering plants I can find. Now I got it in this 4-pack because there are multiple plants here, but these are a little bit special. You can see a little glass globe here. I don't know why they just don't make them out of plastic. Maybe they deform or something like that, but there's this globe at the top. It's a little bigger than a baseball because I got big mitts here. And then we've got like this straw, and what you do is you fill this up, jam it into the dirt or the soil, and then it will just kind of slowly release the water over time. But what I really love about these is that they have this silicone stopper up at the top here, so I don't need to pull it out and then try to get water into the end there or something like that. I can just pull out the stopper, fill it back up, plug it back up, then there will be a little vacuum there so that it doesn't all just rush out. And so that's what I like, especially with multiple plants here. I can just come when they're all empty, pull out the little stopper, fill them all up, put the stopper back in. It's going to keep it nice and clean, keep the mess down. So let's go ahead and put a couple of these into plants and try them out. All right, so here's the one little guy. Thank God it's still alive. I'm just going to kind of throw one of these in here. Man, this is where I wish they were plastic because I feel a little bit like they're very fragile. I mean, they feel like wine goblets, I guess. That is to say, I think they're pretty fragile, but they look just like that. I'll pull these things out, pour some water into them, plug them back up. All right, I filled up that one there, and the nice thing about it is, obviously, there's only so much water that can flow out of that little straw piece there, so I just filled it up, plugged it up here. Most of the water just stays in there. I mean, you lose a little bit. Fill this one up too, because I'm gonna put 2 into this guy, because this guy is pretty thirsty here. All right, now I've got these 2 orbs here feeding this plant, which actually makes me feel way better because now I can't just kill them with missing a day of watering it or something like that. So I think this is going to save the plants and me and maybe a friendship along the way. Hey, if you're going out of town, need your plants watered, don't want to ask your neighbor to do it, you might just want to pick these up. Hopefully these will last, I don't know, a week or something. But like I said, if I get busy, I forget. Even if these were my own plants, I'd probably use these just to buy myself a little time. But this 4-pack was pretty cheap. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Save the trees. Peter Von Panda, out.